problem with this sewing machine is that it gets stuck while sewing with it. You see the shuttle here now, it gets stuck whenever I'm sewing with it. So I'm going to show you where the problem is. Now you see over here, this is the needle and the carrier is very close to the carrier. If you pay close attention, the needle is very close to the carrier, so I'll be adjusting it. I'll have to shift the needle rod. I'm going to shift it so it will be a bit away from the carrier because it's very close to the carrier, so that whenever I'm sewing with it, it tends to clutter inside. It will go and hook the shuttle inside. That's what causes the machine to get stuck while I'm using it. So if this is the same issue you're having with your machine, just pay close attention while we work on it. Okay, now I'll be chiseling the needle rod away from the carrier. I'll just tap it a little bit so that it will shift away from quacking the carrier a lot. That is what causing the shuttle to be stuck when you are using it. So now let me check how the setting is again. Okay, now let me fix the carrier and see how the setting is. So right now this is the needle with the carrier. Just take a close look. Now I made sure that I did not actually shift it too further away from the carrier, otherwise to cause skipping of thread, to be skipping the stitches. So make sure you don't hit it that much. So now I'm going to couple it back and see how it is. I'm also going to apply oil on it. Remember, oil is very vital for your machine. So I'm going to oil every necessary places of the machine so it will be smooth and flexible. Okay, now that's how to properly oil your sewing machine. So next, I'm going to test the machine out now with a fabric and see if it's still going to be hooking the shuttle. Okay, I'm sewing with the machine right now and it's working perfectly. So that's how to solve this kind of issue on your sewing machine. So if you follow this setting that I did carefully, you're going to get it right. Thank you very much for watching. Always like and subscribe.